Welcome to my back garden. Come and meet the birds. And first, probably the best, the beautiful king parrot. Quite rare, and we were so privileged to see her and him. They came together. And here's Charlie. Charlie gets very jealous, and the king parrot is quite shy and careful. So when Charlie arrives, the king parrot takes off. This is Charlie. He's a rainbow lorikeet. Isn't he beautiful? He's the boss of the local lorikeet gang, and he's the only one who really has the right to sit at my hand. There they are. After a feed, they get into the water, and I make sure it's always fresh and ready for them. And as I said, Charlie has a family. Here they are, learning from Charlie about how to surround food for a bee. Only give them sunflower seed, not bread. Now, here's a treat. This is the butcher bird. And here is Trevor. Trevor is comes and sits very alone because I was a bit of meat and give him real work. He is very clever. He has a family. And when he has enough meat for me, he then takes the rest off and hides it. That's why they're called butcher birds. They store the meat. And finally, can't go past the kookaburras. Man, this is a gang and a half. That's Cedric in the middle with his two wives and two babes. And here they are coming in for a feed. But trust me, don't leave the food out when Cedric's around. He'll go for anything he can. And he doesn't say please. So there you are. Come and see the birds.
You are bad, you are. Yes, you are. You are really bad.